Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter 8 carts and wheels on page number 86. Now children, here in we are going to draw the radius of this bangle using ruler, and also we are going to measure the length of the radius. Now children, how to draw the radius of a circle? See children, the distance between center of the circle to any point on the circle is the radius. Again, I am repeating children, you just have to take the distance between the center of the circle to any point on the circle with the help of scale, that is radius. Now children, in this figure, if you see the radius of the bangle with the help of ruler, you will find it is 1 centimeter in length. So radius of this bangle is 1 centimeter. Now see what your friends have drawn. Discuss the length of the radius they measured. Is it the same as yours? Now next is draw the radius of this circle and also guess which circle has the longer radius. Of obvious children, bigger circle has the longer radius. Now here again they are saying measure the radius of both the circle using a ruler and write the length of their radius. Now children, here radius of the green circle is, if you keep the scale here, you will find that it is 1 centimeter, and here the radius of blue circle is 2 centimeter in length. Now children, the next topic is we are going to see different types of wheels. Now children, they are telling you measure the radius of the wheels of a bicycle or a bullock cart. You can use a thread or a measuring tape. Suppose children, this is the wheel of a bicycle and this is the wheel of a bullock cart. From the center, you are going to use, from here center, you are going to use a thread or a measuring tape to find the radius of wheels of bullock bicycle or a bullock cart. From here you are going to keep the thread or measuring tape and you are going to take till here and you are going to find the radius of a bicycle wheel. Same children, here you are going to keep one end of the measuring tape here to the center, and then you are going to take the tape towards the circle, and the distance between these 2 points is the radius of bullock cart wheel. Understood children how to find the radius using a thread or a measuring tape? Now children, they are asking, are all the wheels of a bicycle or a bullock cart are of the same radius? Yes, they are same in most of the cases. Now next is, have you seen a tractor or a road roller? Yes, we have seen tractor and a road roller. Now the next is, which is the biggest wheel you have ever seen? You must have seen biggest wheel in theme park. That is giant wheel. Isn't it children? That is the biggest wheel that we have ever seen. Now the next is, are all wheels of a tractor or road roller of the same radius? Now children, if you look at the tractor's wheel, you will find that not all the wheels of the tractor are of same radius. So the answer you will write here is no, all the wheels of tractor or roller are not of the same radius. Their back wheels are bigger. Next is, Lali and Kali are tied to a pole with ropes. Kali has a longer rope. Who can look for more grass to eat? Now children, here you see this is Lali and it is tied with a shorter rope. So how much circle it will go round, children? How long she can go? She can go till here because she is tied to a shorter rope. And if you come to Kali, you will find that she is tied with a longer rope and she can graze. How long she can go, children? She can cover this much distance because as she is tied to a longer rope, she can take a big round. Now, children, who can look for more grass to eat, Lali or Kali? Yes, Kali will look for more grass. Now, children, next is Daljit's design. Daljit has made these designs using compass. His sister came and started making more designs with him. Do you want to make such designs? To make such designs, you will need to use a compass. Children, in the next video, we will see what is compass and how to use the compass.